Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to perform file management tasks in cPanel. First of all, log into your cPanel account. Go to the Files section and click File Manager. You will access your site's document root or directory, then click Settings in the upper right corner. Ensure the Show Hidden Files, .files, box is checked. Click the Save button to continue. Click the File button at the top left of the page. In the pop-up window, enter the name of the file. Then, click Create New File. To edit an existing file, locate the file in the File Manager, right-click on it, and select Edit. A text editor will open, allowing you to modify the content of the file. After making your changes, click Save Changes or a similar option in the editor. To download a file, locate the file in the File Manager, select it, and click the Download button at the top menu or right-click. To upload a file in cPanel, click the folder to which you would like to upload files. Select the Upload button. Navigate to the file you want to upload on your local computer by clicking the Select File button. You can upload files up to 100 megabytes in size using File Manager. For larger files, let's use FTP. To delete a file, locate the file in the File Manager, right-click on it, and select Delete, then confirm the deletion when prompted.